For this video, I've teamed up with little Ondine to bring you 3 easy nail designs perfect for the holiday season. The looks I'll be creating today feature the little Ondine twin sets. Each set comes with 2 perfectly paired mini polishes, and these are great for travel, or they make awesome gifts for all of your nail polish fanatics. Little Ondine makes non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, water-based nail polishes, so when you're ready to switch colors, you can just peel it off with no damage to your natural nails. So let's get started. As always, before you begin, you're going to want to start with a base coat. Little Ondine offers a secret base and top coat, which is going to help your manicure last longer, and it's going to give you a smoother peel later. The first set I'll be using is Dreamy Pastel, which comes with a bright lavender and a true gray shade. Smoky Mountain is a creamy, perfect neutral gray color, and this applied full coverage in 2 coats. Admiration is a beautiful lavender shade, and this was a little sheer. It required 3 thin coats, but it builds up very easily, and because little Ondine polishes are water-based, they dry fairly fast. The texture of these polishes is a little different than regular nail polish. They dry with a rubbery texture, so it can kind of be hard to tell if it's fully dry. Usually 30 seconds to a minute is long enough, but you can always lightly touch it, and if you don't leave a fingerprint, it's dry. I'll be creating a snowy mountain design with this twin set, starting with Admiration for the base color. Next, roughly add different strokes of lines to the tip of your nail using the gray shade. Now with white polish on a liner brush, I added lines down the centers of each gray brush stroke. Then add lines intersecting horizontally and make them ascend in size as you go down like a tree. The gray in the back gives this look a cool, shadowy, dark forest look while still being easy and minimal. Finish with the secret base and top coat to lock in your design. The next twin set is called Queen with a Crown, and this features a dark wine color and a gorgeous gold glitter. Cabernet Sauvignon is a rich, deep wine shade and was fully opaque in 3 coats. Next is New Year's, which is a festive, dazzling gold glitter, and this polish was actually fully opaque in 2 coats, and I didn't even use a sponge. If you did use a sponge, this would probably give you full coverage in just 1 coat. For this next simple holiday look, start with the deep wine color as your base. Next, paint one side of your nail with a thin coat of the glitter polish. Then go back in with the glitter polish on a detail brush and build it up just on the very edge of your nail for an easy sideways gradient. Finish with a layer of secret base and top coat to smooth out the surface, and that's it. This design is one of my favorite party looks, and it's a new take on the classic glitter gradient. And lastly, we have Bold Beauty, which has a gorgeous teal and opaque white shade. Both of these polishes applied very easily and were opaque in just 2 coats. For the final look, I'll be creating the easiest snowflake design I know how to do. Start by painting 2 intersecting lines to form a plus shape. Then add 2 branches to each line, angling them towards the center. From here, you can add some dots to the snowflake, or you can just leave it plain and add some more snowflakes to your nail. Fill in the pattern with some dots, and that's it. Really simple, but really pretty. And there you have the 3 Little Ondine twin sets. Right now, if you spend $55 or more on littleondine.com, you can send a free twins collection to a loved one by just writing their shipping address in the notes of the order. Check out the description box below for more info on that and for some coupon codes. And Little Ondine is so generously sponsoring a giveaway. 5 winners will receive a surprise Little Ondine gift box, and to enter, all you have to do is leave me a comment about what you're most excited for this holiday season, and the giveaway is open to US participants, and the winner will be chosen in about 1 week, and I'll announce that in a separate video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and if you'd like to see more holiday tutorials, you can check out my playlist here.